Shop Affiliate for Creators is one of the most trending and the most talked about online side hustle that is available on the internet right now. And if you do not wish to miss the boat like how you miss dropshipping or any other popular online businesses, then make sure that you watch today's video because I'll be sharing with you step by step on how you can set up your own TikTok Shop affiliate as a creator and as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. For those of you who are not familiar with what is TikTok Shop Affiliate about, it is basically an affiliate marketing program whereby you're able to promote other people's products on your own TikTok videos, and in return, TikTok Shop will be paying you commission for each product that is successfully sold. You get a percentage of the commission. Usually it will range between 5% to 30% for each product. As we all know by now, TikTok is one of the fastest growing e-commerce platform and is well known for its very pro e-commerce social media platform because it encourages creators and online sellers to sell on this platform. One very cool feature and this most popular feature is the shoppable video. All your video, as even if you are not a TikTok Shop seller and you are just a TikTok creator, you are able to monetize your TikTok account through TikTok Shop affiliate program. You'll be able to insert a product link in every of your video. After trying various types of online businesses, especially e-commerce business, whereby I sell products online, TikTok Shop Affiliate for Creators is one of my favorite online business model because it is very easy to set up, very lucrative, and it is very fun. I will tell you in a while why I feel that it is very fun. For the past 1 year, I have been actively testing and trying out TikTok Shop Affiliate platform, and the result is mind-blowing. And not to mention that the effort that I put in is very minimal as compared to the reward that I receive. One good example is this vacuum cleaner. I just requested a sample from the TikTok shop for this product. I made a video and it generated me almost $15,000 in sales without the need to constantly promote this item. You must be wondering how I use just one product and with one video I'm able to sell hundreds of the same product over and over again. I have two simple answers to this. Number one is I use my viral system, which I talk a lot about on some of my TikTok videos. The viral system that I specially designed is meant to help you create videos that help do the selling for you. And I call this the art of sell without selling through TikTok videos. If you're interested to learn about my viral system, I have a full 2-hour tutorial for you. I will leave a link up in the cards here as well as in the description below. The second reason is TikTok platform is a very pro e-commerce platform whereby it will help to push your videos if your video contains products, especially products from TikTok Shop. And that explains why you always see notification on your TikTok app encouraging you to buy their products by giving you vouchers and coupons to use. Riding on the virality of this TikTok platform is good enough, and that is why I do not even need to run any ads on my TikTok Shop products. 7 out of 10 of my videos that contain TikTok Shop products goes viral easily, also because TikTok Shop will help you to promote the videos on the TikTok Shop marketplace. That is why I say that this is the most perfect online business model and the perfect side hustle if you're looking for one, because you do not need to have any inventory, you do not need to have any stocks, you do not need to have any warehouse to store your goods or even handle the shipping. You do not need to handle shipping at all, no inquiries whatsoever. Basically, you are just a middleman promoting other people's product, and in return, you will get a cut of the commission, and hence this is called the affiliate marketing. Another good thing about this TikTok Shop affiliate program is that you are able to apply samples for most of the products. Though most of the products need to go through approval when you request for the samples, but most of the time the request will be approved. Now let me show you step by step how you can apply to become a TikTok Shop affiliate, and let me show you a walkthrough on how you are able to request for the samples and the features of the platform, as well as how you can attach the product link to your videos. So right now we are on my TikTok account. I'm already a TikTok Shop affiliate, so I will show you the steps on how you can apply yours. So to join TikTok Shop affiliate, you need to go to your profile, your TikTok profile, and then on your top right hand corner, you can see 3 lines here. Tap on this, and then this window will pull up. Click on Creator Tools, and from here, you'll be able to see monetization. This segment here, they are subscription, TikTok Shop for creator, TikTok Shop for seller. So right now, what we are doing will be TikTok Shop for creator because we are not selling any items. We are just a TikTok for creator. That means we want to earn the affiliate from promoting TikTok Shop products. So click on this one. So right now, I'm already a TikTok Shop affiliate approved. So for you, if you are not approved to be one yet, the whole thing will look very different from mine. So I have here another testing account of mine, and this is not TikTok Shop affiliate approved yet. So this one will look like this. So when you want to apply, click on TikTok Shop for creator, and you will have this page here. So this is non-approved TikTok Shop affiliate because I haven't met the 1,000 followers yet. So in order for you to join this TikTok Shop affiliate program, you need to be at least 18 years old and above, as well as have 1,000 followers. But wait, if you guys are interested to learn a hack whereby you do not need 1,000 followers, comment in the comments section below 1,000 followers, and I will do a video or a training on this. So once you're approved to be a TikTok Shop affiliate, your platform for your TikTok Shop Creator Center will look like this, and you have a daily report or analytics on how much you have sold and how much commission you have made. So this is today's sales that I got, and right now it's 1:30 on a Tuesday. So right now I already sold a few items. So once you click on this arrow here, you'll be able to see more analytics, the product performance, what have I sold, and yes, how many product views and product clicks. So as you can see at the bottom here, these are the 3 items that I have sold. And as I mentioned before, I get sales every single day. Some of the items like this one, this product I have mentioned a lot about is the cordless vacuum and mop, which made me about $15,000 in sales just by one video and just one product. So this is my best seller. And this item here, I just uploaded the video just 3 days ago, and I have been making sales ever since. And this is another product. So this is the 3 items I sold so far today. Now let's go back to my TikTok Shop homepage. So this is considered my homepage. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see my TikTok Shop toolkit. So this is very important because I'll be able to access the product marketplace. So for product marketplace is where you choose your items to put on your showcase, which is your TikTok Shop. And these are the things that you can search on this search bar here. You're able to search on here what items that you want. For example, if let's say kitchen appliances. So you'll be able to see all the kitchen appliances and how much you'll be earning. Like every time when you sold one item, like for example, this is a household rotatable compartment cold kettle. So it will keep the drinks cold, and it's only cost about less than $13, and you'll be earning $2.57, which is pretty good. And yeah, so this one is a soft oil eggs maker, and you'll be earning $3. And so on. So you just search your item. Not everything will have a free sample. You have to see if this tab here that shows free sample. And in order for you to filter just the free sample, there's a tab on top here. You can tap here, free sample, and you'll be able to just see those products that offer free sample. Even this air fryer is a free sample. Juicer, you can earn about $9 plus, and so on. So every time when you see a product and you're interested to add to your TikTok Shop, then you can just press here to add. Once it's added, it will be on your showcase. So let me show you where's the showcase. The same. Okay, so go back to the main menu. When you see here, this is my showcase. So these are all the products that I'm currently promoting. So just now I added this juice bot, and now it appears on top. And if you are wondering where the showcase will be, it will be on your TikTok profile. When your customers or the audience browse on your profile, they will be able to see it over here, the second tab. So you tap here, the shopping bag tab, and there you have it, all the products that I've added to my showcase. So this TikTok Shop tab is integrated inside your TikTok profile. Now let me show you how you can add the product to your videos. So we go back to the first tab. This is where you can create videos. Press the usual plus sign and you start to create video. Okay, so for example, I just take a video of the blank wall, and then after I film the video, I just press the tick sign here and then click on next. Okay, here is where you add all the product link. So after writing the description on top, you're able to add the hashtags, and then after that come here, you can add the link. Just tap on the add link and you can see there's 3 tabs: product, get leads, and live events. What we want is the tap on the product. And for here, you can just now, if let's say I want to attach this juice board to my video, then I just need to click on the add. And there's a pop-up sign asking whether do I add the product to video. I just tap add and the product name. Okay, you can edit the product name. Let's say juicer, for example, buy juicer here, and then press add. And that's it. So after you post your video, the link will appear at the bottom. You just need to post this. So let me show you one of my video that have the product linked. Let's say this is the item, the selfie tripod stand. So as you can see, there's a button here for people to buy. There's a yellow shopping bag here. So when people click here, they'll be able to add to cart and immediately they can buy. I hope you find today's tutorial helpful. If you want to learn how you can master the art of sell without selling through TikTok videos, I have a full tutorial for you. I will leave a link down in the description below, or you also can go to my website www.mayeng.co/TikTok to register for the free training. Please do not hesitate to leave any questions regarding today's video down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!